Hi folks, we're going to have a quick look at ZEC, Zcash, one of the top cryptos this cycle, and we've had a bit of a markdown phase for sure. In fact, I was trading this short for the last few weeks, but we now do have it. And just to highlight the big picture, this is a huge run up we've had since essentially just September this year. So you can see it's made a massive amount of gains. Now we have had this price action move all the way back down below this 200 MA on this is actually the 4-hour chart. So let's just update that. This is the 4-hour. Just want to make sure that we're being transparent. There you go, ZEC USDT 4-hour, and we were oversold on the RSI, but we've since had a bit of a bounce, but the bounce has formed a nice double bottom. Now I just want to clarify, of course, that we do have, we are pretty low down now. We hit our short target pretty easily. So there will be a lot of buyers looking to come in here, but we need to wait for a confirmation of the double bottom, and we have a nice higher low. So it's a pretty textbook pattern at the moment. All we want to see, of course, is a break of the neckline, which is sitting at around $400, bang on. So that's pretty nice, right? Nice round number. So what we want to see, of course, is we want to see ZEC break above this, ideally into the next range to give us a nice strong higher high, and then come back down for a retest on the flip side like that. That's the ideal play. That's the textbook play. So you wait for a breakout, you wait for bullish confirmation, ideally quite a strong breakout, maybe surpassing these highs. Obviously, we want to break the neckline to surpass that. And then, of course, more people, more long traders, more bulls are going to start entering the market at this point. Now, Zcash can move for sure, but we do have, of course, this moving average overhead on this 4-hour chart, meaning that being patient here is quite important. So wait for a neckline break, then look to come back in on the flip side. Really straightforward, really manageable play, and it is pretty good support, but there is a bit of a liquidity space here. Let's just have a look at the fixed range volume profile and just see what we're looking at. Here we go. Let's just have a quick look. Right, yeah, so the POC is lining up pretty well with the 200 MA. So that would be definitely a take profit area once we get your entrance. But you can see also there is a bit of a low volume node right here in this space, which typically we're going to get reversals from. So if we do get a breakout back into this range, heading up to the point of control, then we're going to have some buyers coming in here at this low volume node. Most likely, providing the market remains either neutral or bullish. So, and obviously ZEC, you have to bear in mind, of course, that lots of people are looking to get in on this token on the pullbacks because it's had some amazing gains. So this is a high interest token, so you're going to have a lot of people looking to get these lower price points. But we need to wait for a neckline break, a move higher, and then come in on the retest at around $400. But that is ZEC Zcash.